Okay, it's Angelo's from Angelo's Edge. Got a little video, not a knife unboxing, but a first aid kit unboxing at Walmart for $3. It was regularly $9.99. I've already shot the video once, but I did not like the sound quality, so I've already opened it last video, but that won't be posted because the audio just terrible. So, like I said, I got this at clearance a few weeks ago. Uh, so it says it's swing this around, an 86-piece auto first aid kit. So it's supposed to be, you just toss it in your glove compartment and you should be good. So I guess it's from a I don't know if it's really a charity, but it's a partnership with Vision Him Possible Feeding Program. So I'm guessing the proceeds went to help and feed children around, I don't know, wherever this is. Oh, there you go. Nourish meals to malnourished children in many of the parts of the Philippines. So somehow money, I'm guessing even though it was bought on clearance, somehow the money went to this charity. So I'll just leave it out there so you can see it. Vision Him Possible, and it has a little heart. But I did not know that until I just went to open it up and check it out. So like I said, I got $3 on clearance. Was $10. So I've already opened it once, so I stuffed it all back in here. Let's see, I'll open it back up. Get this out of the way. First of all, you get a first aid guide. So you can see that. It basically shows you bleeding, what's probably uh, symptoms. It's showing you symptoms and treatments on this page. But that's the first thing you get. It's just basically a first aid guide. So it opens up and it has all this good stuff for you to look at. Kind of, so for bleeding, burns, like chemical, thermal, drowning, electric shock, fainting, fractures, frostbite, just the whole 9 yards. Shows you how to do some generic CPR, compress airway breathing. I can see it. Let's see if I can. Am I upside down? Let's see, I think I'm upside down. So it'll be something like this. So you get the guide. You get a first aid guide. So that's cool. So fold this back up and see what else is in it. There's the first aid guide. You got this name brand Silver Lex. It's a wound dressing of some sort. Probably helps prevent. Probably, let's see, what does it say? First aid management for minor cuts, lacerations, first and second degree burns, skin irritations, abrasions. So get one pack of this. Okay, you got wipes 3, actually 6 antiseptic wipes to keep your wound clean before you start doing what you need to do. Then here's the antibiotic ointment. It's like I guess a neosporin. I don't know if it should have autofocus, but I don't know if it's going to work. I don't think I have to. It's not working. Oh well. Well, it kind of does. You can see it. A bunch of alcohol pads. You know, like 6 of it. Let's see, 8, 10, 12 alcohol pads, wipes, pre-pad wipes. Once again, try to keep, I don't know if it's infection or bacteria, just so you don't get your wound infected. Try to keep that clean when you're doing all this stuff. And a little roll of tape. I'm not sure what that do, but it's in the package in it. So it's real small. Instant cold compress. Now these are kind of cool. They've been around quite a while, but you shake it the bottom of the bag, squeeze firmly, and shake variously. Really shake the crap out of it until it's mixed. Then it somehow it makes it feel like it's ice. So, and then of course it looks like this brand is actually called Be Smart, Get Prepared. So everything you see in this kit is made by this company. I got a couple other first aid kits from this company. So I think it's a Walmart. I don't know. I doubt it's exclusive, but they seem to carry a lot of their products. Gloves keep your from getting. I don't know. Keeps keeping yourself clean too. Q-tips. Uh, a specialty butterfly band-aid. You can see it through there. Butterfly closure. I think kind of like a in-prop stitch before you get stitches. If when you probably have to go and get if you have to. A whole bunch of small little band-aids. Uh, More band-aids. Like I said, it's 86 piece. So, and tongue depressors for. Guess you could use it as a splint for your finger if you broke it. Maybe, I don't know. Not a doctor. Not a doctor. Uh, well, throw the 99. Is that what that's? Like at the end, Brooklyn Nine-Nine. When at the end they go, not a doctor. That's me. Not a doctor. Uh, Gauze pads, like a few of those 2x2s, and uh, two large 4x4 4-ply. So there you go. So that's what's in it, and of course, nice little case it comes in. And I actually didn't know how I was going to get everything back together, but it actually goes back in there pretty good. So we'll just it stuffs in there pretty good. We'll swing it around. Put the tongue depressors in, band-aids in, so you can kind of see what you got as I'm packing it away. I think might put this in our 4-wheeler, just to have it like that way you don't have to run back and get anything. If it'll be right there on the spot. So everything will be right there. I guess that's I have other first aid kits. I might just stick this in the car. I don't know. But it's nice to have first aid kits handy in multiple locations because you never know when you're going to cut yourself or, stupid shit happens. And like to have stuff available to help when that stupid stuff happens. So, but for $3, not a bad deal. I would think that's a pretty good deal. I don't know. I always buy these first aid kits. I'm not even sure what a box of band-aids costs anymore. I just got, I haven't bought band-aids in a while, but I would buy all these. I get stuff on clearance, so I just kind of do that type of stuff. All right, let's close this up. Thing in here. It's a nice little tray. I mean, it's not organized. You don't organize anything. You just stuff it all in the box and close it up and hope you never need it. So, trying to get this closed without ruining my cold pack. Got it in here before. Let's see, how's that? That looking better. All right, and let's see. I guess they have little holes in here. I guess you could put a little. Well, probably put a wire tie. I don't know why you would. Well, maybe at the store they put these holes in here so people don't get into them. They probably wire. That's probably what this wire tie is for, so no one didn't tamper with them. So, but I wouldn't suggest putting a lock on there. That'd be stupid. But yeah, not bad for $3. So Walmart on clearance. You never know what you'll find. So, all right. See you guys later. Take care. Like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Bye.